one.
On that one.
That one.
Nanalo yung horse ni Dad. That's one. Kararating lang namin galing pub. Holly, what are you doing? Tough for mama. Nakakuha siya na $10. Give it to me. No, that's money, Papa. No, that's not, Papa. That's money. Give it to mommy. Nakakuha siya ng $10. So yan, kararating lang namin galing pub. Tapos nagbihis na ako ng pajama pero hindi pa ako naglinis ng muka. Pinag-iisipan ko kung mag-impake na ako ngayon kasi bukas na ang check-out namin na 10 o'clock. So, para hindi ako madali bukas. No, we just had tea, no? No chips. No chips. So, yun. Siguro mag-impake na ako, no? Mag-impake na ako, guys. Para bukas, hindi ako gigising na maaga para mag-impake. So, ngayon, impake tayo. Ilalagay ko kayo dito, guys. Tapos ko na ma-impake yung mga damit namin. Ayan. Yung natira na lang is yung mga gagamitin namin bukas. Sineparate ko na. Tsaka yan, makeup kit ko. Ilalagay ko yan dito. Tsaka yung ayan, computer. Yung computer na lang. Tsaka yung mga external hard drive. So, eto guys. Napakita ko sa inyo. So, eto na guys. Yung mga damit na malilinis na hindi namin nagamit. Oo, marami akong dalang extra kasi just in case, kasi diba ang mga bata, minsan, nadudumihan agad yung damit nila. Ayun sa, Holly, what are you doing there? Ha? Tapos, eto yung mga maruruming damit. Eto yung kay Holly. Sineparate ko rin yung kay Holly at saka dun sa dalawang boys and then yung sa amin. So, yeah, yan. That's it. Bukas, ang impake ko na lang is yung mga pagkain na nasa fridge at saka sa pantry. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Asan si Holly? What are you doing there, Baba? Huh? What's it? Are you hiding? Hala! How are you gonna get down? Hala! Come on! Hala! Come on! Halika dito! How are you gonna get down? Come here! How? May scratch yung face mo, oh. Anong nangyari sa'yo, ha? Come on! Halika dito. Oh. Oh. No. Come on. You have to turn. Turn. You have to turn. Turn. Yes. Like that. Go. Dali. Hello, Oli. Okay, come on. Okay. Oh. Anong strategy yan? Okay, go. Tingnan niyo, guys. Gumagawa siya ng strategy. Okay, come on. Woo! Ano. So, yun guys. Ayan, tapos na tayo mag-impake. I-close na natin to. So, yun. Bukas yung nasa pantry and yung nasa rep na mga tira naming mga pagkain. So, yeah. Right, Holly, continue lang naman siya. Let me see. Tingnan natin. Ayan, na lang ang i-impake natin bukas. Wala naman dyan sa freezer. Yung mga, ayan na lang yung natira, guys. Kunti na lang. Yeah! Yung mga, good morning. 7:30 na ng umaga. Yan, tulog pa sila. Ito na ang huling tulog nila dito sa bedroom na to. Si Kuya. Ito si Sa. Linagyan namin ng upuan kasi yung first night namin dito, 3 beses siya nahulog. Pero hindi naman siya umiyak. Bumabalik lang siya sa bed. Mag-ride pa sila ng bike bago kami umalis. Yung pinaparentan sa harapan. So, yan. Patayin natin ang ilaw. Smell me. Huh? What? I'm big now. muna ako ng kitchen kasi oras is 7:35. Yeah. Yeah. Can you please wash your face, please? Thank you. Wash your face. Nag-boiled ako ng egg. I boiled all the eggs well. Parang hindi, kasi pag sinaw, baka mabasag. Just open that one, huh? That one. Get the joystick. This for mom. This for mom. You're going home now, darling. But you can have a ride the bike first because mommy promised you that yesterday. Diba? You wanna ride there? Huh? Are you still tired? Are you sad because we're leaving? We can come back next time. No. Okay. Let me see. You're just tired. Okay. Wash your face now, Papa.
I did.
There's morning star there. Oh, you have to.
$10 one cup
Yeah.
and $10 for 1 hour.
We don't need 1 hour.
Yeah, we're going.
We're going to the driving range.
Are we?
Oh, TJ wants to ride the bike.
Good boy. No more? That's it? That's it, huh? What else? Oh, yeah, put it in the fridge.
What did you name it for? What did you name it?
Okay. Why, is it full? That one, that one.
Mom, please shut this.
Yeah.
There's no more stuff.
Yeah. You have one more paragraph under the one. What's that there? Oh, the steak. We're going home na, Holly. No, Papa, where's your milk? Huh? No, Papa. Get your milk. Get Mommy. Where's your milk? No, where? Papa, where's your milk? Tie your milk. Come on. Here's your milk. Papa, Mom. Ta.
In the flying box. You don't want to go.
Doesn't matter, I thought that. I tried to tell her that, but
Holly, come on, Papa. You might folder, Papa.
John, we go to the flying boat all by ourselves.
Yeah. This is our last day dito sa Big 4. Ayan, nalinis ko na yung kusina. Malinis na yung stove. Ayan, malinis na rin. Yun na lang, yung bin. Ilalabas yung isa dyan. And yung fridge, ayan, malinis na rin. Wala na yung laman. So, yeah. Uwian na, guys. We had so much fun dito sa Big 4 for 4 days. 3 nights and 4 days. So, yung mga gamit nandun na sa car. Yeah. And then yung mga kids naghihintay na. So yeah, we're ready to go. Hit the road. Pero magdadrive pa pala ng bike si Sak at si TJ kasi prinamis ko sa kanila kahapon na magre-rent kami ng bike. Kaso nakatulog sila. So, ngayon na lang namin gagawin bago kami umuwi. Yes, Baba? Yeah, we're gonna eat breakfast on the way, but we're gonna ride your bike first. Do you want that? So yan guys, yun ang activity nila bago kami umuwi. Pardon?
I'm going to McDonald's.
Are we going to McDonald's?
Yes.
Maybe. Oh, breakfast na naman. Gutom na naman si Sa. Pancakes, okay.
Then a drink.
Okay, what drink? Chocolate.
Water.
Oh, just water. Okay. Guys.
Milk chocolate.
Oh, milk chocolate. So, narinig nyo, pagkain naman ang pinag-uusapan namin ni Zach. So, yun guys. We'll see you later. So, ayan. Nandiyan na lahat ng mga gamit. Punong-puno pa rin. It's an overload. Bye, Hal.
Joey?
Okay, bye.
My big fall.
Say thank you. We had so much fun.
I'm not supposed to leave every time back.
Hi, Holly.
You what?
Hi.
You'll never.
Everyone's on them bikes, TJ.
Halos ng mga bata nasa bike. Sana meron pang tira. Huh? Hope we still have there, Zach. TJ.
Everyone brought out other bike.
Yan yung maliit na ano,
Don't put your seatbelt.
bahay-bahay. Ayan. Siguro single room lang yan. Kasi yung sa amin, 2 rooms. Ayan. Yung tulad sa amin.
Now we love the fly fox. That
May nakikita pa kaming 2 bikes. Ayun guys, tingnan nyo. Ayun guys, yan na lang yung natitira. Hurry up! Ang natira na lang na bike is yung single. Kahapon nakakita kami na pwedeng 2, isang nag-ride at saka isang passenger. Kaso yung ano, ang natira, ano na lang, single. How about you, Sa? Can you reach it? Oh no! Itong isa, ma-reach nila yung pedals. Yung isa, hindi. So, $10. I think $10 for 1 hour. Pero hindi naman. How much ba? $5. Half an hour. Ah. $5 for half an hour. Kasi $10 for 1 hour. Pero hindi naman sila mag-ride for 1 hour kasi alis na kami. Can you reach it, Zaki boy?
Yes, I didn't reach on number 8.
Oh, number 8. But the number 9 you can.
Too big.
Too long. Ayan si Kuya. But I think Kuya first, Zach, because Kuya is having the helmet first.
No.
Yeah, you can share.
You have to have a helmet.
Look outside, you come in a minute, mate.
Yes, sir. Zach, Kuya. What's...
Go around to this way. Go around this little one around here. Watch the cars. No,
You have to watch the car.
how do you stop? Use your brake backwards.
Oh.
Just watch the car. Stay on your side of the road, remember? Watch out, stop.
What's up? Stop.
Right, up you go.
No, Zaki. You're alright, Zach. You're next.
Go, Dad. We'll go play golf.
Oh, we're gonna play golf after
I
this?
want to play though.
All right.
Alright. Just... Ayan si Kuya.
Which one?
The black, please. Not the round one, the square one.
That one.
Kuya. Yes, that one. Thank you. It's Kuya. You're next. 15 minutes each, okay? Ah. I love you, Holly. Oh, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Dad.
Dad, huh? Dad. Ayaw sa'yo ni Daddy na. Daddy don't want you, Baba. Nasaan na si Kuya?
Oh, up on that.
Saki's story.
Can you reach pedals?
Come on. Brake, you know where's the brake? Okay, show me. Okay, go. Be careful.
Watch for cars.
Dad,
Look at him go.
Slow down, Zach. Look at him. Up, Baba.
Hang on.
Careful, Zach. Just on the grass, Baba. Just on the grass. Holly, oh. Holly, mommy fix this. Sige. Hi. Here. Watch the car.
Hey, Jay, let's put it back.
Oh.
Careful.
Oh.
Hey, Jay, back.
Put your seatbelt. Hold on.
Now it's hot.
Push him, push him.
Watch out for the car na.
Okay, drive fast on the bus.
Go fast on the bumps daw, kuya. No, we're going. Oh. Hi, Baba. How is it, kuya?
What is that?
It's just water.
Now what? Navy, movie.
I treat you, kuya.
Did you put water in it?
Mama?
I want to go into North Carolina. I want to do
Okay, that's enough now, Baba.
range.
Okay.
What a big one.
Oh, nice mini putt.
What do you call this, kuya? Kuya, what do you call this?
Mini papa. Drum range and mini papa.
Okay, dito na kami guys sa
Whoa, that is
another activity before going home.
Daddy,
Ang
you
ingay
want to
namin. So yeah. So mag-mini golf muna sila.
Carve it out.
And yeah, after this we're heading home.
Out.
Me who you see, 'cause I think